scholarship no benani no kramna ka pinyo wacho bendo wacho ni scholarship bendi bro bede ka imiyo angine Dr. Phelly ni mera kili yetu waka hinya winjo kaka Dr. Net gi Dr. Kumu bedo sibedo ka lero midhiero mabendo sibedo kukadhe wacho ni in group mare ni tieko last year mano higa mokalo nyaka sane gina chile nade magi kaka Dr. Phelly masa moro sibedo kikadhe
abro chako gi where adwa clarify gimoro this whole struggle mawatimo sani ok marwa kendwa. We are doing this mondo wakony nyithindo ma podi ni e school. Wadwa konyo jogi mondo sami somo ing'eyo ni if I do this and I work hard anyalo konyo ji. You know, anyalo konyo jowa mondwa so that they can move and we can be able to afford proper education, proper lifestyle. You know, it is okwatim maendi ni one kendwa. We are doing this so that wanyalo luongo the government mondo gibed accountable for the promises negi wacho. Slowly by slowly, Kenya is becoming a country kuma ngato nyalo chung to wacho ni adwa kao a certain seat mondo they represent people so that your lifestyles can be better, education can be better, health can be better. But ngato kose bet leader kanyo or they completely forget gimane giwacho. Now us, we have taken the responsibility that we are in this place at this particular time. And we will stand and call for accountability. CBN okwawach ni wadwaro pesa extra. In fact, as far as 2017 is concerned, it has not yet been implemented. So, county governments no sign gino, to national governments no sign. The national referral, two national referrals actually, all three of them, negi se sign document no. Gike MPDU in 2017. Negi wacho ni we will improve this healthcare mondo. Jopin, that person a hospital cha in Samburu, Isiolo, Makueni, Migori, nyalo yudo the quality of care ne kuom ngato mano se the school to somo so that you can be able to walk out of the hospital well. So adwaro make it very clear ni watemo call the government to be accountable. No se sign gi, no se wacho ni udwa konyo Kenyans, one Kenyans, don't. To nitie thousands of other children who are still in schools, primary, high school, secondary, and the families are investing heavily. Mondo, nyathini or you'd quality of education, mondo nyalo konyore eno wuon, to nyalo take a stand, unajua, so that Kenyans can grow. We are not doing this alone. We are not doing this for ourselves. So we really need the support and the goodwill from others. And even if we don't get it, we are strong enough to stand and say that we are willing to take this to the end. So that people don't play around with the lives of Kenyans. Ki wacho ni ibro bedo adwa wacho governor, lakini wakwadara we kikawach governor.
Manda kumrahisi.
Adwa bedo leader in a certain post. Ki wacho ni idwa improve healthcare. Mondo ladies kagide nyuol giyudo a good doctor in a good facility manigi yedhe team kamano kikidonj kanyo titiyo marach gi resources kasto idwa reduce the expenditure by cutting what the health workforce is getting because you're compromising on the lives of Kenyans. It's not just the doctors, it's the general well-being. For that reason, we are coping. Okanyal wacho ni it's so bad to adwa ka space ni monda encourage ngamani tie school podi ngama somo people who are striving. Hard work always pays. It pays. It's not and nyasaye benitie onyalo mi favor to favor no akao fully to awacho ni nyalo yudo imbe. It has been hard nikech nitie jomano se invest e somo ni kitie younger siblings marito mondi take school mondi konygi. There's times, most of us have timelines, and it's good to have goals in your life. You actually, by this time, adwa timo this, so that kase chopoka, anyalo improve on this. You know, that's how progress is made. It has been a big backlog.
Ang'ini gin achiedh nade to kata mana kaka iwachoga ni singo en gowi to singo chakre higa mar 2010